Greeting. This is Mark. We're going to be looking at some very basic settings about our computer. Yeah, some basic settings that we should know exactly where to go and all that, what to press. Right? So I'm going to guide you through this particular process here. Right? So what we wanted to do definitely, right? We're going to come right at the startup menu. I'm going to click, right? I'm going to look for settings, and this is setting. I'm going to click on settings, right? So we're going to be viewing through this, right? So very important, right? What you will see is a system, right? And under system is a display and sound notification bar, right? And where you see a device of the Bluetooth and printer, right? Phone, I mean you can link your Android phone to this with the computer, right? This have to network, Wi-Fi, and personalize background. You can actually change the background screen, change the color right here. Apps, you can actually uninstall here on default. The feature right here, you can actually uninstall from this angle. It's very important. Right, and from right here, you can actually create an account. You can change account type. You can add somebody there. Language, you can actually change the language here, date and time and all that. Gaming and all that can actually be done here. So ease of access right here. You can come up with the magnifier. You can use this to also get the keyboard, online keyboard right here. Right? You can actually search right here for permission. And if you notice right there, it's a privacy. Location and camera microphone, so you can go into this here to view the camera microphone and your security and updates and all of that. So we're going to actually look in each one of them and see exactly what is it. So we're going to click on system. Right, if you notice system is a display and this everything over here, so it have to do display. So right, so this have to do with night light. So if your computer screen too bright at night, you can actually click this to turn on the night light. Right, so you have display here, so you have sound. When you click on sound, if you notice, this is what I want to show over here, microphone and all of that. Click on notification and action. Notice all of these that check, right? And if you're gonna click here on focus assistant, right? If you notice focus assistant, there are different here, like priority only, alarm only, and all of that. Right, and if you click on power and sleep, right? So if you notice on battery, how long the computer take to go asleep and all of that. So that's what sleep actually display. Right, so when you click on battery right here, then it show you how much percentage the battery is and all of that. Right, it show you can put on battery saver and all of that within it. Right, so look on storage. You notice you can actually address storage. It show how much they have here. Notice it show you temporary file and show you all of the apps and the amount of space that all the apps outside take up. Right, so very important. So you know exactly where you are in terms of space storage. Right, and notice the tablet here. You can actually sign in with different device, additional tablet setting and adjust it from there. Right, so from multitasking right here, you notice different areas right all the way here, timeline and all of that, virtual desktop, and all that you can actually do from here. Right, projecting to PC. Right, so projecting to PC, which means you can put in an extra monitor and all of that. Share experience, right? You notice no nearby sharing, so you can actually share and all of that. Right, so you can use here. I'll go right back to home. Right, so we're going to click on device now and see what there. If you notice right here, right, Bluetooth to show that Bluetooth on, so you can actually Bluetooth anything from this device to your phone with ease. Right, and here, so you print and scan, right, and all the way here, you can show that you can select the printer that you want to print from and all the grid here. Right, you can also fax, all that. So when you click on the mouse, you can actually change the different pointer and all of that in this particular area. Right, so you notice a touchpad right here. You can either leave it on when the mouse is connected, or you can take it off. Right, so very important. Right, you notice type in here, right, auto correct misspell if you take off it completely. Right, you type a word, you have to definitely do it manually, but once you do that, it literally corrects it. That so you can actually look at these features, right? Pen and window ink, right? If you know this is easier, Windows ink, workspace and all that. You can actually view these stuff also. And if you notice, you look here at USB, right? The USB connection, I can actually put it in between mouse and all that. And look at autoplay, right? And see exactly what to bring. So let's go back home again. And then you look at network, right? If you notice, these are different network. Right? This is where your property and the amount of data used and all that, you can change the adapter. So if you come over here, this is status. So you click on Wi-Fi to show that I'm actually connected and all of that. Right, and all of these be hotspot to show that you can do a hotspot. Right, and dial notice you can actually set up this connection also. Right, band, right, you know, so advanced option, allow this method of network, right, very important also. Airplane mode, if you click this, the Wi-Fi will go off. Why to go off? Because this is going in a different era. You say turn this on to stop all wireless communication, such as Wi-Fi and cell phone and Bluetooth. So if I click it, all that we actually on. Right? Very good. And this is the mobile hotspot, right? Wi-Fi or Bluetooth mobile. You can actually do it. Right? And it comes here automatically detect settings and all that. Very important. Let me go back here. You can personalize background. Right? If you notice here, you can actually change the different here. Change the color of your background. Right? And notice color. If you click on color, notice you bring up the color right here. That you can actually change. Lock screen, right? You can choose lock screen, right? Where they have this. When the screen go to sleep and lock, you can have this, you can actually change it up. So come right here, so notice you can put picture, you can put slideshow, it's up to you. Right? And theme, you can come at theme, you can choose one of these theme that you change randomly and all of that. So look at font. What I can do, you can change the font size. That's when I type, it kind of look like this or that. Right? And the taskbar. When you go down to the taskbar, if you uncheck this taskbar right here will move. So when you put back your mouse, it will show, right? For a person who doesn't understand computer, I will not advise them to uncheck this, right? So if only person who understands it can actually click this particular here, right? So you look at apps now. Right? These are the different apps that actually on your computer. All of these apps, right? Default apps, right? So all of these default apps we actually use on a regular interval, right? And look at some offline map, right? So map you can actually search to see what exactly you can delete all maps, store location and all of that. If you notice apps, right? You notice app for website, right? All of these. Up to you if you want to check or uncheck Microsoft Whiteboard. Notice it show you right here. Right, you can show you know video playback and all of that. You can actually play back a video. Right, and right here you actually have the startup menu. So when you turn on the computer, these are the apps that actually start up with it. That. I go back now. I'm going to be looking at this one. This is a content setting, right? So notice right here, so you can actually create a picture, right? And here you can actually click on the camera here. It's the name of the administration. You can also put a photo right here. Right? So that is the info, email, right? An account. You notice you show it exactly which one. That down here you can actually access right here. Show that you can actually sign in with different area, right? You can use picture password, you can put password and whatever. Right, we click here now, access to work or school account. Right, family and that, you can actually add a family member here, you can add somebody else down here. Right, and this you can actually sync other stuff to it, right? We're going to come back all the way here, right? So we're going to look at easy access. When you look at easy access, you notice display, this is what it display, right? And the mouse pointer, you can actually look at the different mouse pointer, you can actually change from this particular angle, right? Text color, you can actually change the text color. That's when you type, it gives you a different here. Magnifier, you can actually click on magnifier, you can actually carry up the word up and down, and all of that. Color filter, you notice this actually off, so you want to see the gray or whatever here. High contrast, right? So this have to do with the screen resolution, right? And this is the narrator, right? But once this narrator on, anyway you put the mouse, it will exactly where it is and all of that. Alright, so very important. So it have to do with privacy now. Alright, you notice up here is a general, and this is what the general look like. So if you're going to look at speech, right? Go to speech here, online speech recognize. When you click, you can actually type my ear voice, right? Ink and timing, right? It's using the typing history of handwriting pattern to create your personal dictionary. Very important there. Alright, diagnosis and feedback. Alright, that's where it is. Activity history. All the way here. And to show you whether it won't work. So sign in. Alright, you can actually bring up your location. You can actually change location on your device. This is the camera right here. You can actually change camera and all of that. And microphone. You can actually change the microphone just to see. Right, you're going to come back right here. Alright, you're going to look on the last one, which is update and security. Alright, if you notice right here, you can click right here to update. You can pause update for 7 days and all that. You can change active hour. Alright, this delivery option right here, optimization right here. You can already download from the PC, other PC, right? You can also backup from right here, choose a backup from right here. You can also troubleshoot if you definitely have a problem in this particular area, right? So ask before running a troubleshoot. Right, so here you can look at recovery. You can say get start here, or you can restart. Right, so advanced startup setup or more recovery option. Right, so activation right here. You just can change the key. Right, in order for the Microsoft Windows. Right, so it's a find my device. Right, and a find my device. Right, so you can actually click here to change it. And all that. Right, for developer. Right, you know this developer mode and all of that. There's all the way here. You can file from File Explorer, right? And if you notice there's a Windows inside the program, right? It's very important because it's becoming a Windows Insider, right? So to get started right there, so go all the way here and go back. So I hope you have learned something from this particular video here, right? Remember to share it